Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. Happy Tuesday morning. Yes, we are live once again. We are back at it. I know. I'm not super consistent these days on the stream, but you know what? I'm doing this for myself and to help a couple people out there. So I'm not feeling a huge rush to be live. I'm going live once. When I feels good to be live, so, and if I'm not super busy. So basically that's what it is, right? I actually had the conversation with someone this morning, someone that has been on YouTube also a lot, and taking some breaks there and there and blah blah blah. So basically told that person that man, you got to do it for yourself first, and don't do it to chase clouds or chase attention. That's the reason why I'm doing this. I'm not doing this for attention. I'm doing this to help a couple people out there. I don't care if I help one people or 200. For me, it's the same. My goal is to help at least one person every time I go live, and that's about it. And from the message I get on Instagram, I mean, basically we are helping people. So it's cool. It's cool to know. So I'm doing this not for attention, not to have people on YouTube on my channel. I don't care. I don't need that. I used to be streaming like many days a week. Now I only stream once a week because I don't feel like it. That's basically it. So all right, so enough talking. Happy to see you guys as you come in. I know we're just getting started, but as you come in, make sure you smash that like button. We need to get the algorithm going again. I know I'm repeating myself for the past couple of weeks, but I took a huge break at one point, and since then the algorithm is not pushing the stream anymore. So I really need your help, guys. Okay, we need to get this thing going again, because every time you press that like button, there's a chance that one new person find that live and get helped. Okay, so let's go, man. And as you come in, also let me know where you guys are from. I know we're just getting started, but as you come in, let me know where you guys from. I'm curious. Say hi. Make sure sound is loud and clear. By the way, hopefully it's loud and clear. But all right, so enough talking. More trading. What do you guys think? All right, so let's jump into it. Let's jump into it, baby. All right, let's go. Fire. So let's start with GJ. Let's start with GJ. And as you know, I don't know if you've been here for a while, if you're new. By the way, if you're new, welcome to the channel. Make sure you did subscribe to the channel, you activate notification, because sometimes I go live at random times now these days. I know my banner there scheduled. I need to change that banner, but it is what it is. Okay, so sorry about that. Okay, so let's jump into GJ. First thing first, let's take a look at GJ. And GJ, we're going to look at two options. We're going to look at the swing and we're going to look at the scalp, because GJ is one of the only pair I do scalp with gold and GA. So we're going to take a look at those. I've been focusing scalping for the past couple of years, and now these days I included swing trading in my trading style. And these days, not gonna lie, I've been mostly swing slash intraday. Not much scalping these days. I don't know. Price action was not that great, to be honest, and not that many opportunity. Okay, so if you look at here on the sorry, I'm looking for my word this morning. So if you look on GJ here, so on GJ, this is our weekly time frame. If you look, we are still bullish. We didn't broke that low here, so we're still bullish at the moment. Yeah, and we're pushing up. Let's go take a look at the daily. Daily, if you look here, daily, we are definitely bullish. We got this double top here, so we might have this pullback now, because we established this golden zone right here. Could just move it to the right. Let me see. Did I place a golden zone based on the first stop or second? Yeah, okay. Exactly. That was once we had that bearish candle, but finally we never had a pullback. So this pullback doesn't count. So now we're gonna establish this to this here. Perfect. And that's gonna move our golden zone a bit from here to here. Boom, here we go. Perfect. Which is pretty much in line with our daily area of interest here, which is perfect. We just need to make sure we don't break that green line, which is like my safety net here on the fib level. So if we do break this and we close under this, I mean, this trade idea is going to be invalid. But now, since we got this double top now, that's very interesting. So now we have this neckline here that we can break hold on, wait a second. So we can break, retest to go under here to eventually come back up. Whoops, goddamn, bam, come back up. Okay, so now can we short to here? Yes, it's doable. Personally, these days I'm being super patient and really waiting to trade the trend. But if we're scalping, that's going to be a different story. So now let's take a look at what we got. So let me remove this since we already have marked our our chart here. Let me just change this here at the daily OI plus daily gold zone. No, so that's going to be, I'm going to place this entering daily golden zone. Okay, so I'm going to place my alert there. So I'm going to be notified. And yeah, so let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame here. And all right, so on the 4 hour time frame, we create a new high. Okay, so we know that most of the time when we create a new high, price is going to come drop and we have a pullback. Okay, so there's two things here. So the reason why I'm not going to be shorting once we get under here, under the daily neckline, it's because we're also entering the 4 hour golden zone to go back up. So for me to know that we're continuing down, I'm going to need the 30-minute or the 1 hour to have the break retest here, break retest to go down. Okay. So yeah, so that would be one possibility for the scalp here, the 30-minute or the 1 hour to have a break retest under. Because if you look at the 4 hour time frame, let me place back this here for 1 second. Yeah, we got room. Yeah, come scalping. Depends. My stop's gonna be probably like around 10-15 pipses ish. And just for fun here, just in that golden zone, we got 26. So it's something doable. It's gonna be a quick scalp in and out. Yeah, like I usually do back then, but it's been like weeks, like many weeks I didn't scalp, in all honesty. But yeah, now if you look on a scalp, on a swing, I'm gonna be waiting for price to come down here and do his thing, right? Yeah, I think that's about it for GJ. Yeah, any question for GJ, let me know in the chat. Let's go for Euro GBP. This is a trade I'm in since yesterday. Finally in profit now. I mean, yeah, not finally, but in profit. So if you look here, what was the idea? Okay, let's break this down. Let's break it down. Let me remove this alert here. Sorry, guys. Okay, so if you look at the weekly time frame is bullish. Okay, and the reason why we're bullish, it's very simple. We close back above that high, and we're definitely bullish. Here we never broke that low either, so we're still bullish. Okay, we're still bullish. Daily is bullish. Daily is bullish. We had that nice pullback. All right, so we created a new high. We got this nice pullback inside that golden zone. We close back above this daily area of interest, which is perfect, form support. So this was beautiful. After that, if you look at the 4 hour time frame, I waited for price to switch bullish. Okay, what I mean by that, okay, is we basically have price, trending up like this and like this. Once we broke that low, 4 hour became bearish, right? So actually, this is not, here we go. Boom, this is our new low. Okay, so let me just remove that. This is not an elbow. Perfect. So once we form that low, this is the high we need to break to go bullish. So I need to wait because right now 4 hour is bearish. So 4 hour can just continue to do this at this stage, right? How do I know that we're coming back up? Is once price start going up a bit and we finally break this structure right here. We came down, retested, nice engulfing candle, boom, take it to the upside. Okay. And I went on a lower time frame to find my entry. I had two entry on that one. First one was based on that 1 hour engulfing candle right here. My second one was after right here, after the retest, And if you look here, was it on 30 minute? Yeah, here we go. So once we broke here, okay, let me show you guys. So once we did broke this resistance, I waited for the retest here, support form engulfing candle, boom, take it to the upside. Okay. So yeah, so right now on this one, I got 1% and 1%, so I'm risking 2%. Um, and yeah, that's about it. We're going for 61 here, and this one is gonna be where is it? How can I? Oh, here we go. This one's a 5.32 to 1. Okay, so we'll see. So that should be pretty good. Um, Now, after Euro GPP, we got NZD GPY. Actually, just enter before the stream. So as you can tell, this is going on right now. We got like 8.6 pips in profit. Let me put my exact entry here. So short. So exact entry is at 82,708. 82,708. I'm gonna explain that. Perfect. And stop is 82,987. 82,987. Right here. And TP is 81,830. That we might change it. We're gonna see 81, 81, 81,830. I said. There we go. Whoops. Yeah, perfect. Okay. All right. So that's what we got here. Let me see if we got question and comments here. Hugo, what's up? Good morning, buddy. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Okay, so what was the idea behind here? Okay, so let me go on the weekly time frame first. Bam. All right. So if you look at the weekly time frame, we are bearish. Okay, so we are bearish. So once price broke under here, I waited for the retest of this daily structure and to take it to the downside, right? So pretty simple. And if you look on the daily here, daily was bearish. Okay, we're still bearish, right? Because let me show you. Okay. So this is no, this is not an elbow, Sasha. This is an elbow. All right, cool. Perfect. Bam. So once this went bullish, here we got this here, this. We are bullish. Once again, we create a new high, broke under, became bearish, waited for the retest to go down. Okay, so pretty simple. Now, if you look on the 4-hour time frame, 4-hour was bearish. So we got weekly, daily, bearish, 4-hour going bearish, and pull back inside that golden zone, which is previous support that was broken also, which is an added confluence. And yeah, so basically 4-hour was already bearish. So I was waiting now for the lower time frame to go bearish to take my entry. Okay, so basically 2-hour, 1-hour, or 30-minute. When I woke up, in all honesty, this morning, I was so mad because I was like, fuck me, man. The move's already happening in London session these days. So I got really mad because I've been waiting that setup for a couple of days now. And if you look, we finally, on the 30-minute, we finally broke under here. And we have the pullback becoming bullish once again. And finally, this 30-minute candle, wow, my screen just closed right now. What the hell just happened? Okay, guys, I don't know what's going on. Okay, give me one sec here. Um, exit full screen. All right, did I lost you guys? Are you guys still there? Hopefully. So I don't know what really happened. My screen just closed on me. Uh, okay, so hopefully you guys are still there. Oh yeah, I guess you're there because I just got a question. Do you still take the entry on 30-minute if 1 hour is an opposite trend? Well, yes and no, it all depends. But most of the time, 30-minute will go, let's say, bullish before H1, and vice versa, So yes, most of the time, okay, because 30-minute will be the first one to go into your direction, okay. So in this example, okay, the 30-minute. Let me grab this arrow. The 30-minute. Let me do this again, went bearish right here with this nice engulfing candle. Okay, so technically this is where I would have taken this trade, but if you look at the timestamp at the bottom right here, whoops, timestamp at the bottom on this candle is 3 a.m. Let me tell you guys, I'm sleeping at that time. Okay. So I'm not able to take that trade. So what happened is this morning when I woke up, I was like, fuck me, man. That sucks. I was looking at the 30-minute and now I was coming back up. I was like, wait a second. We are at the entry point that I wanted, right? So I'm like, you know what? To be fair, it was not maybe smart at the moment when I look at it. I was like, to be fair, I would be in that trade. So if I need to take a loss from this, I want to take a loss. Okay. So I took the entry right here, on the pullback here. Okay. But after that, I look at the 2 hour, and 2 hour made sense, and the 1 hour actually made sense also, but already happened. But the 2 hour was perfect. We did close under that support, nice engulfing candle. So it still made sense. So yeah, so that's what happened on that one. Okay, so that's what happened. I was actually waiting for the break here. I draw that yesterday. I draw those lines yesterday. So I'm just gonna remove them now. But yeah, this is what it is. Okay. Um, so let's see. All right, so after weekly, daily, and 4 hour are the same trend, you just want one of the entry time frame to go the same direction in engulfing. Most likely, yeah, very simple. And the reason why you want to do this, it's because you're gonna know that now we are ready to move back up or move back down, right? Because I mean, for the okay, give me an Jesus, I'm having a hard time with my words. For price to, let me give you this. For price to go up here, right? We got 4 hour bullish, right? Once we go bearish, once we go bearish, we need, we need that pullback first and to come down. Okay. But for price to go to do this, let me, 4 hour, sorry, wrong example. Let's start from scratch. For this pullback to happen here, this pullback here, to happen. In this case, it's not a good example because we stayed bearish, But anyways, for this to happen, we need the lower time frame to go bullish, right? Because I mean, if you look on the 30-minute, 30-minute is bullish going back up here, right? You can tell, boom. So here we got this pullback and boom, now we are bullish, right? So we went bullish on a lower time frame. And how do I know that we're done with this H4 pullback? First, I got one confluence, which is in my golden zone. We are retesting this area and we became bearish right here. Sorry. What am I saying? Here. Sorry, guys. So right here, when we did close under that support, this is where we know we are bearish because anything between those 2 points are just structure. Anything between those 2 points is just structure. If we do break the high, this point here, we got a new high being formed. And if you break the low here, we got a new low being formed, right? So this is how you establish your trend. Pretty basic in all honesty. There's no secret sauce. Okay, yo, Euro GBP is pushing up now. I'm excited. Fine, I was about to pull the plug on that one. All honesty, when I saw price, I'm gonna give you an example. When I saw price here breaking under, I was like, oh fuck me, man, we're breaking that H4 structure. But it didn't close under. So this is where the set and forget mentality saved me, you know. So now I'm yeah, nice profits here. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Yeah, got 25 pips on one and 13 on the other. So not bad. Not bad. Okay, so let's see here. Perfect. Okay, so now let's talk about entity USD, which is another very good potential that's about to happen. Have you recognized FX Alex G user structure break as trend break? Have you recognized? I'm not sure. I'm not sure that I understand the question. If I realize maybe that FXXG used structure break as trend breaks, yes, kind of. Yeah. Yeah, that's with him. I took the swing approach course. So that's why it looks very similar. I don't know if that's what you mean. All right, so let's take a look. I'll come back to your question, Hugo. I'm just gonna go with entity USD, and I'll go back to your question because I don't see your question when I got my full screen here. All right, so now I got a lot of arrows here. Let me remove some. Well, actually, let's start explaining first. So entity USD is about to go deep here. We got the weekly time frame bearish, right? So we got a weekly time frame bearish. We got the break here. We got a retest that I'm personally expecting, but it looks like if we do break this low here, I mean, we're down for like holy. And I've been talking about this trade for the past 2 weeks. I've been talking. If you go back on my YouTube channel, I talked about entity USD probably for the past 2 weeks, if it's not 3 weeks. Yeah, yeah, for the past 2 weeks at least. So, anyways, if you look at the daily now, okay, so the daily is looking nice now. So the daily is definitely bearish. And now we got the break of structure, we got the pullback. We actually just rejected the safety net here to the T, and we are retesting the first area of actually the second area of interest on the daily time frame. So if you look here, so you got support, 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 you know, major area of interest. You see here resistance. Yeah, so very strong area. Okay, very strong area. Oops, god damn. All right. So we came down, we retest. My first area was right here. That first level right here was my first area of interest. We had support, resistance, mini tap here. We got another support here. So this was my first area, but we actually did break it. And if you look on the 4-hour time frame, let me remove all those arrows so it's more clean. So now if you look at a 4-hour time frame, we are inside that golden zone, right? We are inside that golden zone. We rejected the safety net and we're closing back under this area, which is perfect. So now what do I need? I need, let me establish my golden zone here. So that's going to be the H4. H4 golden zone. Perfect. Let me remove this now so it's more clean. Perfect. Let me remove this. What was this alert for? Entering GZ. Yeah, why is it still there? I got the notification on my cell phone. Sometime trading view it's kind of broken. Okay, so now what do I need to do to get in that trade? I need to know that the lower time frame are going bearish, which is the case here. Okay, which is fuck. I missed the entry. I think. Hold on. Wait a second. Let's take a look at 1 hour. All right. So 1 hour. One hour is still, because this is not a clean elbow. So So technically, 1 hour is still bullish. Let's go take a look at 30 minute. 30 minutes more clean here. Okay. So here we got 30 minute. We got this cute elbow, this another elbow. This is the elbow. All right. So here we became bearish, but we don't have our engulfing candle. Here we got the pullback. Fuck, man. The entry was right here, right at this candle. God damn it. Right here. That was the entry. Nice engulfing. We got a pullback, which is also probably inside the 30-minute golden zone. Oh, respecting the safety net to the T. Yeah, that would have been my entry right there. Fuck. I'm gonna paper trade that one. So I'm gonna write it down. So let's see here. Stop. That's a 10. So let's go to 15 pips. 15 pip stops. Let's go for 3, 2, 1. Oh man, we can melt on this. We can melt big fucking time. Let's go on the daily. Jesus. We can melt until like 61. Holy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find a way to get back in that trade. But just for now, 61. Where's 61? 61. Somewhere around here. So that's a 4.13 to 1. So let's take a look now. Is there another way I can enter that trade? 2 hours. Yeah. Yeah. Once this low gets broken, but that's going to be fucking low. 1 hour. 30 minute. Yo, if we got to pull back until here, I think I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna place an alert here. One hour. Actually, I can enter based on the 1 hour though. Yeah, because now we're definitely bearish. Oh, it depends if we count this elbow, but it's not. Oh, I'm debating right now. This is no good. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, you know what? I'm already in 2 trades. I'm not gonna go crazy on this. I'm gonna leave that paper trade. Yeah. Be calm, Sasha. Relax. You know, sometimes you gotta talk to yourself. You know, sometimes you're just like, hey, yo, relax there. It just sucks because I know this trade can melt hard. But yeah, no FOMO. Just chill. Oh fuck, I'm about to get my entry. Now I'm FOMOing. Fuck it. Oh no. What am I doing, guys? All right, let's talk about another trade. So I don't look at it. But okay, so this one I messed it up. This one I fucked it up. Not fucked it up. I just missed the trade completely. It just need to buy a potential higher low here. So if you look on the weekly is bullish, clearly bullish, right? The daily was bullish also. We had the pullback here, rejecting this daily golden zone, which is also the daily area of interest, which was perfect. So 4 hour went, 4 hour was bearish. Okay, so if you look, 4 hour was bearish, right? Bearish. We went bullish here. You know, that's when I look at the chart. And if you look at this arrow, this other arrow was drawn probably like, when was that? That was on Friday, last Friday. This is where I draw that. I was like, all right, I need to buy the potential higher low. So I need the pullback on 4 hour to go back up. But this never happened. So what happened? I don't take the trade. I just wait. I wait. I need to buy not at the top. I need to buy at a higher low. You know, because if not, it just doesn't make sense. Yo, Euro GBP is on fire right now. That's good. Okay. So yeah. Hopefully that makes sense. So I'm still waiting on that one. So that one should be blue now because it's not ready. Okay, perfect. Did we talk about GBP Yes, that's our paper trade. Okay. Yeah, I've been talking about GBP for a while, man. When I think about this, Actually, we didn't talk about GBPCHF here to this morning, did we? No, we didn't. So this is the same concept here. So needed to wait here. This is a paper trade, by the way, guys. I should mark it down. Um, but yeah, daily was perfect. You know, daily was a pullback inside that golden zone. I would prefer a full pullback to retest this area, but it actually rejected the golden zone nicely, nice engulfing candle. 4 hours was perfect. So once 4 hour goes bearish once again, it's always rinse and repeat. Go bearish by breaking this. We got the retest, and we got a nice engulfing candle. Boom, take the trade down. Pretty simple. That I should mark paper trade here. And this one's about to hit TP. Yeah. Yeah, yep, yo. Any question about that one? Any questions so far? Let's see. All right, so after that, we got GA. Where is GA? All right, so GA weekly is bullish. All right, so weekly is bullish. We got to pull back here. So, of course, I would love a full pullback once again around this area here. Never happened. It actually went down to the daily golden zone. Boom. If you look here, we had like consolidation zone here on the daily time frame, but we're still bullish. All right, we're still bullish. 4 hour. This is this is where I got it lost last week. Yeah, I got it lost on that one last week. And you know what? The trade idea was great. I guess I was a little too early. But yeah, I explained that on Forex Talk Over Beer last Thursday night. Yeah. But yeah, I guess that even if I would have wait for the break and retest, oh, maybe here, yeah, 1 hour. Whoa, that's dope. So we had the break, we got the retest, nice engulfing candle. Shit. Damn. Yeah, okay, I missed that one. When was that? That was Friday, 2 p.m. Yeah, fuck. No. Yeah, Friday, 2 p.m. After that, there was no volume. You got the spread from the weekend. And just like, ugh. Like, if I'm in a trade, I'm already in profit. I'm going to hold it during the weekend, but I'm not looking to enter a trade on a Friday afternoon. It's just like, fuck. It sucks, though, because it would have been, like, insane. Like, just put it this way. Like, under this stop here, probably around like 35 pip stop loss. Let's see. Oh, Lee, man, this trade would have been fire. Like almost a 4-1. Oh, 4-1. God damn. So, anyways, yeah. All right, cool. So USD GPY, full TP got it yesterday. I'm gonna break that down. I'm gonna leave some trade to break down on Thursday nights. I'm gonna break that one down on Thursday night on Forex Offer Beer. I think that was perfect, dude. That TP was hit to the fucking T. My TP was like, I think 2 pips under that actually, 2 3 pips. It was like just under 700 here. So it was, yeah, 695, I think, if I remember correctly, something around there, because I was matching this resistance here. So it's not a 5-1. It's actually a little less than 5-1. But still, pretty happy with that one. So that one ate my 2 losses from last week. I had one last week and the one the week before. I didn't trade a lot. I took like 2 trades, I think 2 or 3 trades in 2 3 weeks. It's just like crazy. These days I'm being super duper patient. So now for USD GPY, what's next? USD GPY right now. What is next? Not much right now because we are in the middle of a move. Yeah, I'm gonna remove that from there. So gone. Here we go. So let's take a look at GU. The link explain what. Oh, I don't see the link. Maybe YouTube stuff. Hold on. Do I see it here? No, the link explain what I mean. Let me see here. Boom. Try again to send it. Because I think YouTube block links by default. I think you cannot send links. I'm not sure. Or you need to put space in between. Because, yeah, I think YouTube stopped by default links to be sent in the chat. Maybe send it to me on my Instagram. Okay, so if you look at GU here, all right, go take a look at weekly. Weekly is bullish, right? So weekly time frame is bullish, but if we do break under the daily area of interest here, I'm looking to take it short. Okay. The reason why I say I'm pretty sure that the weekly, and that's going to be an intraday. Okay, that's going to be intraday. The hold on, wait a second. Just want to check something very quickly. Yeah, okay. So yeah, so that can be a nice intraday trade. If not, I'm gonna look for break and retest above. But yeah, this one is not ready yet, so that's why it's at the bottom of the list. But it's something I'm keeping an eye on. So right now, not much, not much. We got a break retest though on the weekly now. The daily, the daily is bearish right now. So that's the thing. Now the daily is bearish. So if you look here, we just broke and closed under here. So now we're looking to go this. Maybe this is the infamous. Hold on, wait a second. Maybe this is the infamous head and shoulders. The shampoo pattern. So yeah, so maybe we can get a break and retest under this. That would be fire. So I placed my my alert there, so I'll get notified when that happened. Because right now, yes, the weekly is bullish, but I think we're definitely due for a pullback here. So, and the reality is, when I marked this down, that's probably like 3 or 4 weeks ago. We didn't broke we didn't broke that resistance yet, but it is what it is. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours bullish. Yeah. So gotta wait. Gotta wait. This is not close to be ready, but I'm keeping an eye on. AUD CAD. So let's see. Yeah, okay, I'll send you on Instagram. Perfect. I'll go take a look at it in a second. Okay, so let's see here. AUD CAD. Let's go on the weekly. All right, so AUD CAD. Oh, this is perfect. AUD CAD is getting that pullback on the weekly time frame. We are bearish. We are bearish. Okay, so we got a rejection here inside that weekly golden zone. Okay, let's go take a look on the lower time frame. Let's go take a look on the daily. So daily, daily is bullish now. So daily is bullish. Let's go back on the weekly for 1 sec. Yeah, we might have that pullback on the weekly now. So daily, so this one is a no-go for now. Even on the intraday, because we already retest this area. So I'm not gonna take it to the upside. Even if the daily is bullish, I'm gonna wait for the daily to go back bearish. Yeah, so that one, keeping an eye on, but nothing major. This is the one I had lost like 2 weeks ago. That I explained on Forex Talk Over Beer also. And except that, I don't think there's anything else ready here. We talked about that one. Oh yeah, let's talk about gold. Fuck, I almost forgot gold. What happened with me? Euro USD. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This trade. Yeah, this trade idea. Wait a second. Let's put this up here. This I was waiting for H4 to go bullish, breaking this like from When was that? 17th of April. That's like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, is it? Yeah, that's 2 weeks ago, I think. Purchased 2 weeks ago. Whatever. So I was waiting for this, and finally it happened. Now we got a break, we got a retest, and I was not able to get the entry because this was Friday afternoon once again. So I'm like, fuck. Okay. So now we got the push up. So now I need to buy at. So let's write it down. Need to buy. Need to buy at a higher low or potential higher low. Okay. So how do we gonna establish this? First, it can be a retest. Okay, it can be a retest of this area. Let's put it blue. Can be a retest of this area, or man, we might have something live right now. Or inside that gold. Fuck me. Let's go. Okay, we might have something, guys. Hold on, wait a second. Please stand by. Please stand by. Uh let's establish this here. All right, cool. Man. All right, so now let's go take a look on the 2 hour. 2 hour, we just dip down. 1 hour, we dip down. We're rejecting 30 minute. Okay, so now the 30 minute is bearish, right? So I need the 30 minute to go bullish. So I need the 30 minute to go bullish. So right now we are bearish. So we might do this again. I don't know, something like this, whatever. Once we break this here, we'll become bullish. I'll take it to the outside, to the upside once I got my engulfing candle. Or just based on this market structure, I need to break this point, but it might be a little high, but we'll see. So yeah, you know what? This one, I'm putting it green and I'm putting somewhere here because this one's getting ready. Okay, we got something interesting here, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's just rewind and make sure we're good. Okay, so we got a weekly. Weekly is bullish. Okay, but oh fuck, we did tap into this massive resistance here though, and reject hard. So and we have this move straight bullish. Okay, so again, we might need a pullback at one point, but hey, let's see the daily is still bullish. Yes, we are. I would love for today though to the perfect, the ideal would be for this candle to close above this resistance, because now we might form a double top. So that's the only sketchy thing here. But except that, everything makes sense. So yeah, you know what? Stand by on that one. We're gonna wait. Let's go back to GJ. What time is it? GJ, it's 8:20. Ah, cool. 8:20. We're about to hit New York Open. So let's go take a look at the daily. Daily. Oh, okay. So daily's about to go bearish. Daily's about to go bearish. We got this double top formation here. The 4 hour is bullish. We're retesting this area. Are we inside the golden zone? H4 golden zone? I'm pretty sure yes. Yeah, we're getting at it. Okay, okay. Interesting. Interesting. Let's take a little 1 hour, 30 minutes. Like back then, like the difference is back then, as soon as I will be like seeing this, I know we'll see boom, boom, boom. I see that this engulfing it all. We'll take it to the upside, breaking the high, take it to the upside. But you know, I need to break that market structure. That helped me so much. Also into my scalping, you know, like huge difference. This was honestly, this was like mind blowing. Like I can believe that nobody, like from all the coaches, you know, I had, nobody showed me that. I was like, fuck, this is amazing. And it's simple. It's quite simple, and it makes total sense when you think. That's why I was so blown away, because I was actually frustrated. I was frustrated to, like, how the fuck did I not think about that myself? After all these years. But yeah, sometimes, man, that's what it is. You need to go see somebody else, and you get explained another way, and it all makes sense. Oh, let's take a look at my Instagram. See if you sent the link. Oh, you probably sent that to a fake account, because I didn't receive anything. Yeah, I got many fake accounts, so you gotta be careful. You gotta check the one that this one here. Actually, the link is in the description here. So it's Sasha, SACHA underscore FX dog DAW George. Okay, so make sure the link's in the description. So if you want to make sure, because I didn't receive anything. I don't have any DM. The only DM I got this morning is for people asking the time of the stream, and my girlfriend sending me something. So, yeah, nothing here. All right, let's go Euro GBP. But NZD though, let's go take a look at NZD. NZD on the 30 minutes went bullish here. This was our pullback. The 2 hour went down nicely, but now rejected. 4 hour is, oh, we rejected that 4 hour support. Okay, so let's take a look at 1 hour. 1 hour is ranging right now. 1 hour is ranging. We're having a hard time breaking this area, which is the 82,500. 82,500 looks like a solid area here. Hmm. So here, boom, boom, boom. We're still bearish on 30 minutes, by the way. We're still bearish. So we're good. 1 hour. 1 hour is, yeah, I cannot count those as elbow. And 2 hour is still bearish. So we're good. Yeah, I'm gonna hold that. Since you, hold on, wait a second. Um, I sent you applause yesterday. Oh, let me see. Let me see. Maybe it went into my request. Accepting. I'm trying to sign up for the Valdez passive income, but it's asking for referral username. Could you? Oh, yeah. Sure, buddy. Sure, man. Sorry. Your message was in the junk message. Give me one sec, guys. I need to do something very quickly. Boom, boom, boom. Whoa, what happened here? W. Give me one sec, guys. Bear with me. And we got 4 minutes. 4 minutes left before NY open. So we need refill link. Copy. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, it's because it's Luke. Your name is Luke on Instagram, no? I think yeah, that's it. Okay, that's Luke on Instagram. Luke Greenway. Oh, that's a cute NFT. Which project is that? I went completely degen yesterday or a couple days ago. Yeah, man, I went degen totally. I bought so many. Like, can we get? Yeah, I'm in Oogie. Where can I get? Fuck. Hold on. Wait a second. Let me open up a new window. I'm gonna show you. I went a little degen on this. Magic Eden. Yeah. So bought like 8 or 9 of those Oogie. Holy shit, bro. Yeah, I'm going crazy right now. This thing is about to, dude. I got one with a varsity jacket like this. Phew, so fire. Anyways, yeah, I paid 50 soul for that one. But yeah, about 8, I think. But which fraud is that? Which NFT project is that? I'm curious. Um, Here's the link. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if I click on this. Let it send to my computer. Boom. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so perfect. FX sees this as a downtrend since price broke the structure. In my knowledge, it is still an uptrend. No, that's yeah, you're right. It's still in this case, in this scenario here, yes, it is still an uptrend. You need to break this. So I don't know if it's a way, if the way he explained it, maybe, but yeah, no, you're right. It sees the exact same thing. The exact same thing. Yeah. I think between these lines are just structure because exactly, not exactly. This is perfect. Yes. Yeah. This is perfect. This is exactly how I do it. This is exactly how Alex does it. So I don't know. Maybe you caught something that maybe was confusing, maybe, but it's clearly like this. So you're right. You're on the good path, man. You're. This is perfect. Totally. That I'm gonna give you an example. I'm gonna give you an example. Like GG is a perfect example. GG on the weekly, perfect example. Look, I got the same lines here. You know, so you see, we got the lines here, the lines there. Anything in between, it's just structure. And I'm doing that because I'm super visual. So the NFT is a cyber gecko. I think it a Tezo NFT. Oh, I see. It's not on Solana, is it? Yeah, I don't know. I've seen him do that mistake many times now. Oh yeah, really? Huh. That's interesting. But yeah, no, it's same thing, bro. Same thing. Um, mm, 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 mm. Yo, guys, no way, no joke. That passive income, I had to open my passive income opportunity. Um, how you call it? Um, a dashboard. I was looking for that. If you look here, give wallet bonus, I guess. Um, passive bonus. Is that it? Or they just change the dashboard, so I'm all lost right now. Hold on, wait a second. Um, matrix bonus. Cycle remaining. What is this? Hold on, wait a second. There, no, no, no. Wallet. Oh, here. Rewards. That's what I want to see. How? Okay. Oh no, I'm lost. Where is it? Transaction. I guess. No. Keywords. Ah, here we go. Okay, perfect. So if you look on this account, I put 5,000. This is a bug since the beginning. I don't know why they keep writing 10,000. But if you look on the deposit, deposit 5,000 here, V 5,000 on the 15 of June 15, right? So that's the only deposit I did. It's 5,000. Okay, so that's the only deposit, and I'm making between 2 to 3% per week. So if you look, I'm making 122 out of that 5,000, and I'm making 186 on the compounding reward. So up to now, since June, I made 5,000 with this without trading anything. I have another account also. I can show you. Let me show you here. This one. Um, R23. GA. I don't know why I'm talking about this, but whatever. So let's see here. Oh, please verify email ID. Oh, fuck. So, anyways, so I'm gonna have to go back at it. But anyways, yeah, I got another account. Same thing. I put like 7,000 that one, 5,000 into the other one. They all above like the amount that I put now. So it's just crazy. So if anyone interested into passive income, let me know. But by the way, if you're interested into NFT, well, this is the next blue chip. So make sure you secure yours. Um, anyways, let's see here. Boom. Okay. Okay, so now let's go take a look. It's 8:34. So let's go take a look at what happened with GJ here. What the fuck? Okay, so we're right here at this area. Yeah, we're inside that golden zone for sure now. Are we? Oh yeah, we're right at it. So this is where I'm gonna be waiting for, for scalp. You want to buy at a potential, higher low, higher low. Yeah, I'm always having a hard time translating in French. But yeah, this is where you want to wait for maybe this to break this here to continue up, right? So once the 30-minute goes bullish, that makes sense. If not, you can have a quick scalp here under this area. So let's say the 1 hour. Ooh, that's a solid rejection here. So that's the kind of scalp I was doing and still doing some days. You wait for the wick to be formed, also retesting previous area. And once this break the low, boom, you can take it down. You can at least fill this wick. And yeah, it can be a quick scalp here. The other thing I'm going to be waiting for, let's take a look at H4. So I'm going to wait for H4. Yeah, you know what? That's what I'm going to wait because that's going to be closing in 25 minutes. So yeah, so for scalp on GJ, this looks pretty good. So if this candle do close under this area, I'm going to wait for the next candle to pull up, create the wick, create the top wick from the tail. And once we broke the low, this is where I'm going to get it. So I just realized on YouTube that I have a crazy delay this morning. Like I never had a delay like this. Oh wow, this is a huge delay. So I do apologize about that, guys. Um, I don't know what happened there. Yo, that's a huge delay. Wow. Oh well. I don't know what's going on. I think I'm due for a reboot of my computer. That's what happened. I just keep my computer open for too long. I think it's getting slow right now. My screen actually closed on me earlier, so I don't know what happened. Maybe it's that we kind of created a delay, so I don't know what happened. But yeah. Oh well. Let's see here. What else we got here? Euro GPP is going doing good. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good. NZD finally back on the way. All right, cool. So that's good. 30 minute. I'm happy that we did close under, even if we're still bearish. I'm just happy we didn't continue to the upside here. Now, if this can close under here, that'll be even perfect. Because now the 15 minute, yeah, that's good. Should be good. Should be good. Should be good. I don't know what's going on the live right now. It feels like it feels like it feels like I'm living in the past right now, but I'm explaining the chart you sent me, which is kind of weird because that's like many minutes ago. And you actually interact with me, so that means that's weird. That's really weird what's happening right now. Whatever. Let's see here. There's a question coming up. Do you ever move your SL to B? I did that in the past. I was doing that in the past, and too many times, price actually went to my B and went straight back to my TP. So I kind of get frustrated, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna place my stop loss at a place that if it gets hit, I'm totally wrong, and I accept the risk. So fuck it, So that's why I do not move um, my stop loss anymore. So yeah. Perfect example. Look here. I would be in stop and break even. Like right here. Same thing with this. Oh, close to. Or here. Yeah. Here I would have been stop and break even. So yeah. Um let's see here. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, sorry. The delay isn't bad. You answered my question like 15 seconds after I sent it. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that one I didn't sell it. That's why. It's just like weird because what I'm seeing on the screen from YouTube right now, maybe it's that software that's bugged. Let me open up a window here. I'm just curious. Shut up. Fucking advertising. Oh yeah, okay. No, on the stream it's good. It's just like the YouTube studio that shows me a huge delay. I don't know why. But yeah, okay. Seems good. Seems good. Okay. Perfect. Okay, excellent, excellent. Let's see. Let's continue. So yeah, so GJ is maybe it's probably gonna be nice for a little scalp here. Any other question? Let's see. Euro GBP is doing well. We might have a little pullback here to continue up. NZD is, oh yeah, let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. 15 minutes. Can 15-minute rocket and close under here just to, that'll be perfect. Or USD. What was the other pair I wanted to take the trade, guys? This one. Paper trade. So what's going on here? Yeah. 2 hours. 1 hour. 1 hour. Boom, boom, boom. Just like this. I don't like when it's this. It's not a clean elbow. Just like drive me nuts. Like, should I count it? Should I not count it? But 30-minute, pretty clean. 30-minute is clean. 30-minute is bearish. Boom, boom. But I didn't have my engulfing candle. So that's why I didn't take it. But actually, I was also in bed. That's a reason number one. But I would not be taking it because I don't have my engulfing candle. Now we got the break retest. This is where I took this paper trade because this makes sense. I'm still debating on that one. I'm still debating. Oh god damn. But this we didn't broke the low. So I don't know. I'm not gonna keep that as a paper trade. I'm gonna keep that as a paper trade. What about 15-minute? Did I add an engulfing candle here after breaking the low? No. Yeah, here. Well, it's kind of sketchy. What time was that? 2:45. Was sleeping, buddy. So yeah, no, fuck it. I'm leaving that as a paper trade. I got 2 trade running. Fuck it. GBPCHF. Yo, that one's about to hit TP. Well, that's a paper trade. Looking good. Hey, give me 1 sec, guys. I need to go wish a good day to my kid. Okay, so let's take a look at comments, questions here. I think AED CAD looks pretty good for the retest of 91,000. A bit over 91,000 is a good weekly level. Let's go take a look at it. AED CAD. I think I had something marked down for AED CAD. Let's see. What the fuck is going on here? Okay. AUD CAD, AUD CAD, AUD CAD, where are you? AUD CAD. What? Oh, here. Yeah, I got something marked down here. I think we talked about that one. Yeah. Yep. Let's take a look at the daily. Oh yeah. So yeah, the daily, we can have a nice little push up here. But because the weekly is due for that pullback, right? So sometimes what I like to do is establish this and putting my TP somewhere around here if I'm intraday or scalping, because I know that long term is going down, right? So which is also going to be in confluence with this, uh, which this support that was broken. So that can be the TP, right, on a lower time frame. But for the swing, the problem is, look, if you look, the weekly is bearish. Let me remove this. So the weekly is bearish and the daily is bullish. So, oh, fuck, no. The daily is still bearish. Oh, the daily is still bearish. Let me see comments here. I mean, the short since the day. Yeah, I just realized. I just realized. Yeah, the daily is still bearish, so that's good. Hold on, wait a second. That's a different approach then. So daily is still bearish, and the reason why, if people is asking, it's pretty simple. It's because this and this and anything in between just market structure, right? So that's good. So the daily is still bearish. Weekly is bearish. H4 is bullish at the moment. So yeah, oh, that's why I placed my alert there. That's why I said I had something marked down for you, EDCAD. Look, boom. I'm not lying. H4 going bearish. I'm not lying, guys. Trust. So that's what I'm waiting for. That's why it's blue, and that's why it's at the bottom of the list because it wasn't ready, but it's getting close to it now. So yeah, basically waiting for the break of structure here on the H4 to go bearish, and yeah, that's about it. And after that, I'm gonna wait for. So let's say, okay, so this is the H4. So let's say price goes there, right? And break that low becomes bearish. I need the pullback. I need a lower high to sell. I'm not gonna sell here. I need the lower high to sell on H4. So once the pullback gonna happen on the once the pullback gonna happen on H4, I'm gonna go on the 30-minute and wait for the market structure switch. Because 30 minutes is going to go bullish to go that 4-hour pullback. And once the 30-minute goes bearish, that's where I'm entering. Very simple. Man, all this for free. All this for free. Because I like you guys. Because I don't care. I don't need to sell anything. I'm making my money out of trading. So yes, I do have a course, but I'm not pushing it. I'm not selling it. I'm not just like I don't give a shit, to be honest. It's very confusing sometimes. Yes, that's why I usually, well, not usually, but most of the time I actually do place those lines because I'm visual and I think it's more clear and easy for the eyes when you place those lines. So yeah, totally makes sense now. Great, yeah. So, yep, that's about it, man. That's about it. 2 trade running good. So I'm not gonna enter that other trade. What was it? GBBCHF. Oh, my watch is telling me to stand up, so let's stand up. Please stand up. Let's put up the desk. Okay. There we go. We are in bullish mode activated on the desk. All this free content is why I'm here. Great knowledge and answer on every question. Hey, my pleasure, Hugo. My pleasure. And make sure to tune in on Forex Talk Over Beer on Thursday night because this is where I break down my trades. I answer all questions also, and we're having fun drinking a little beer. Yeah, just enjoying some good time. So that's about it, guys. I need to go because I got a meeting in like 40 minutes and I need to get ready. Let me check something very quickly though. Let me check GJ very quickly. Ooh, wait a second. We're getting excited here. Yo, this thing is melting hard. The fuck, man? So FOR's going bearish now. Okay. Please don't die.
Radio check, radio check.
Let me check here. Actually, that's my nighttime. Oh, in Europe. Est-ce que tu parles français? Um, so where in Europe? I'm curious. Yeah, so you gotta watch the replay. So you have to watch the replay definitely. Or if you're going for a full night awake, no, I don't know how you call it in English, a nuit blanche. How you call that in English? Nuit blanche. Hmm. Whatever. Sweden. Oh, sweet. Dude, Sweden, man, the women in Sweden are hot. Um, all right, so let's talk about GJ here for one sec. Because GJ is definitely melting, right? So there's two things. So there's people who's gonna FOMO and is gonna be like, oh shit, I need to sell, it's melt. No, you gotta wait. You gotta wait. Wait, dude. Wait. So now you're breaking. Okay, so you're breaking this area right here. Let's take a look on the 30-minute. So boom. So you're breaking this small area on the 30-minute, okay? And what you want is the retest to go down. Or you're gonna wait for this H4 to close. Let me remove this, right? So you're gonna wait for this H4 to close. You're gonna wait for the wick up, form that wick. And when you break the low, bam, this is where you enter. And don't forget the bam. That's very important because it's not gonna work. Um, I'm joking. Otis, hold on, wait a second. I don't only see part of the message if I do not go on my main screen. Yeah, hottest one, yeah. um, not gonna lie, Montreal women are pretty hot. But yeah, totally, man. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. So you know what to look for, guys. Make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to tune in on Thursday night if you can, obviously. But if you can't, you can always watch the replay. You can learn a lot from those breakdowns. Again, thank you so much for being with me this morning. It was a pleasure, and I'll see you on Thursday night or next Tuesday morning. Take care, guys. Have an amazing day. Bam.